Everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today, let's see how to make classic comfort food of South India, curd rice, also known as Thayir Sadam. It is often eaten at the end of a meal to aid digestion and cool the stomach after spicy dishes. It is also a travel-friendly food. So, let's see how to make it. For this, I've used half cup raw rice. This can be made with leftover rice but tastes best with freshly cooked rice. First, to the cooked rice, we add salt and smash it well. Then we prepare all the ingredients ready. I've mentioned all the ingredients in the description box. For half cup of rice, I've taken 1 cup of curd, half cup of water and 1/4 cup of milk. Now add the mixture to the rice and mix well. Make sure there are no lumps. This is the perfect consistency needed for our curd rice. Now we will prepare the tempering. First, we will fry the cashews and raisins and keep it aside. Curd rice is very good for our gut health. The curd in curd rice is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion. Now to the same oil, we will add mustard seeds, urad dal, green chilies, ginger and chopped curry leaves. Give all this a good stir and add this tempering to our curd rice and mix everything well. The tempering not only brings the best in curd rice but also adds a wonderful crunch and the aroma enhances its overall taste. Now you can see how creamy our curd rice is. Now to this we will add fried cashews and raisins and also add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Adding fruits like pomegranate, grapes, mango or apple to curd rice brings the burst of freshness and sweetness. Curd rice is best eaten with Thayir mulaga, that is sun-dried chilies and pickle. Enjoy and thank you for watching.